Hi, I'm Dylan from Joylad. I'll be demonstrating Burberry eyeglasses, model York BE1360, color code 1017. The color of the frame is black and it has a round shape. On the temple, you'll see the Burberry check pattern, and on the temple tip, the Burberry logo in a light tan. And it is made in Italy. On the nose pads, you'll also see the check pattern, but in gold. It has a size of 51 for the lens, 21 for the bridge, and 145 for the temple. It comes with a gift box, which color and style may vary, a case, an authenticity card, and a cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching and have a joyful day.